Hello and welcome. If you're looking to add a personal, creative touch to your Christmas decor this year, embroidery hoop wreaths and ornaments are a fantastic choice. They're simple to make, versatile, and bring a touch of rustic charm to any holiday setting. In today's video, I'll share some delightful ideas that are perfect for decorating your home or gifting to loved ones. Let's get started. A woodland charm wreath. Use an embroidery hoop adorned with evergreens, pine cones, small plywood trees, and a moose figurine. Add a ribbon bow for a natural rustic look. Double hoop elegance. Create a bold double embroidery hoop wreath with layers of greenery, pastel and blue ornaments, berries, and a coordinating ribbon. Cozy plaid delight. Wrap red plaid fabric around an embroidery hoop. Then decorate with white letters, evergreens, and two bows for a warm and inviting design. Bird's nest wreath. Combine two embroidery hoops with snowy pine cones, berries, evergreens, and a bird ornament for a nature-inspired holiday touch. Rustic plaid and stars. Use plaid fabric as the base of your wreath, then add wooden stars, snowflakes, and tags for a cozy, rustic vibe. Minimalist greenery. For a sleek look, decorate your hoop with greenery, white berries, and evergreens. This design is perfect for those who prefer understated decor. Modern mercury glass accent. Combine eucalyptus, mercury glass ornaments, and pearl accents for a modern and elegant Christmas wreath. Illuminated modern design. Incorporate lights, evergreens, and hanging white ornaments into your embroidery hoop wreath for a wintry glow. Neutral metallics. Create a minimalistic wreath with metallic and neutral ornaments paired with a faux poinsettia for a contemporary touch. Velvet elegance. Use green and black velvet ribbons, evergreens, wooden stars, and a deer figurine to craft a modern yet timeless wreath. Rustic tree slice charm. Add tree slices with red painted letters, berries, and a plaid ribbon to your wreath for a charming farmhouse look. Scandinavian simplicity. Combine evergreens, eucalyptus, and wooden beads for a Scandinavian-inspired wreath that exudes elegance. Baby's breath accents. Use baby's breath flowers, greenery, and pom-poms to craft a simple yet stunning embroidery hoop wreath. Bold berry statement. Decorate a wreath with vibrant red berries and greenery for a classic and festive holiday look. Two-tone rustic design. Layer 2 embroidery hoops, adding evergreens, pine cones, and a printed ribbon for a quick and stylish decoration. Scandinavian wooden beads. Keep it simple with an embroidery hoop, evergreens, and wooden beads for a natural Scandinavian vibe. Miniature winter scene. Use a small hoop with greenery, berries, a plaid bow, a church figurine, and tiny faux trees for a delightful, detailed design. Centerpiece candle wreath. Combine evergreens, pine cones, cotton, and leaves on an embroidery hoop, and place a candle in the center for a warm and cozy decoration. Plaid and berry layers. Layer green plaid fabric, a red and neutral ribbon, evergreens, and berries for a traditional yet fresh look. Hanging hoop ornaments. Create a cluster of small embroidery hoops with evergreens, berries, leaves, and hanging sheep figurines for a playful and festive decoration. And there you have it. Charming embroidery hoop wreaths and ornaments to make your Christmas season truly special. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed these ideas, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more holiday inspiration. Happy crafting, and have a wonderful Christmas.